What's going on, YouTube? As you see by the title, we're going to be swapping out the steering wheel on the V-Wagon today. Mine does come with the suede wheel, but as you can tell, it's not the best condition. This used to be a Texas car, and it used to sit outside a lot, so the sun messed up all the suede. So as you can see, I do have some stainless steel paddle shifters on here. So we're gonna be swapping those over to the new wheel. So let me show you the new wheel real quick. So here's the new wheel. It did come with buttons already installed, and this bottom V piece. I did take it apart just to take this back cover off, because this one has the buttons on it. I think I could just pop those buttons right out and then swap my shifter ones on, but this whole piece just came out, so I'll be swapping this whole piece over from my other one onto this wheel. And it's literally just a bunch of T10s, well, 2 T10s to take this cover off, and then T15s for the buttons and for this bottom piece. And here's the wheel. It's super nice. The dude I bought it for barely used it. It's carbon fiber. I didn't do the suede on the side. I actually like this leather. It's a flat bottom, so super nice. I already disconnected the battery on the car. So on the side of the wheel, there's these little holes right here. I just grabbed a little Allen. You might want to get like a little pick or whatever, but kind of just push it in here and you'll feel it. And as you push down on it, the bag will lift up. So you gotta do both sides, and then the airbag just pops out. So let me do that real quick and we'll be right back. All right, so once you press on both of those little spring release things, whatever, the bag kind of just pops out. And then we got a couple connections back here for the bag. So we'll rip that out real quick. So the back of these two plugs are these little safety clips. I just use some pliers to pull them out. And then to take these two out right here, you gotta push down on these sides right here. So I'll kind of just grab my pliers real quick, press down on those two tabs, and just come right out. And the airbag's out. They're color coordinated and they only go one way, so you don't have to worry about which wire goes where. So we put the back to the side, and then we have to remove, this is a T20. You don't need a steering wheel puller for these cars. Just loosen that, take that bolt out, and the whole thing comes out. But right now we'll disconnect. Looks like a harness right here, and then maybe these two, and I think that's it. I put the T50 on the impact. It wouldn't come out with a wrench. But yeah, I got some blue Loctite on there. We'll probably add a little bit more for the new one. And it should just come right out. Yeah, it just pulls right out. Feed these wires through. Easy. So let's swap this back onto the new one with the paddle shifters, and we'll put it all back together. Cool, so this is the old wheel, got everything stripped, and everything swapped over. Well, I didn't really swap anything over, just this back piece right here with the paddle shifters, and it looks really good. It's actually really easy to do once you get everything in front of you and take everything apart. It's literally these little T15s for this side, for here, and then 2 for here, and then there's 2 10s that take this back plastic cover off. But yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of Loctite, blue Loctite on the nut, slap everything back together, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Cool, so just like that, it's on. Let's make sure the horn works. It's fired up, make sure all the buttons and all the lights turn on them. They're lit up. Sure the power for the radio works. Volume up and down. super happy with how the wheel came out, super clean. And I'll catch you all on the next one.